Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this outfit for dripping in gold theme in dress and press without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. Okay, first of all, you can choose all these hairstyles and you're going to color it with this color. You can copy my color code. And the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room and I'm going to choose the coats item. So I'm going to go to the coats and I'm going to choose this dress and toggle it to, okay, and you're going to color it with this color, okay, for the first selection, and for the second selection, you can color it with this one. This is for the color code. And then you're going to color it with this color and this color. And then for the flower, I'm just going to apply the same color. Okay, just like this guys. Okay, just apply the same color, but wait, I think for the the third selection, I'm going to apply this one. Okay, alright, and then I'm going to select this crown and apply the same color for the first and also the second selection and change the toggle to 2. Okay, and then I'm going to select the crown from the style showdown. Make sure you have won the style showdown so you can use this crown. Okay, alright, and then I'm going to, oops, sorry guys, I forgot the Myra heels. I'm going to use the Myra heels. It's here, and again just apply the same color for all the selection. And I'm going to choose this one as well, but I'm going to set it like this. Okay, and then I'm going to apply the gold color. Okay, it's perfect. And the next one, I'm going to go to this area and I'm going to choose this item, and again we're going to color it with this gold color. And then I'm going to go to this area. I'm going to use item from the Valentine's update, this one, and color it with the same gold color. And also this necklace. Okay, and then I think I forgot something from this area. I'm going to select this earring, and again we're going to color it with the gold color. Alright, and then I'm going to move to the next area. I'm going to go to the world culture clothing area, which is right here, and I'm going to select this sari from India. Okay, then we're going to apply this gold color. Okay guys, and this is for the result. As you can see, it looks so beautiful, right? Oops, sorry guys, I forgot one more item. I'm going to go to this area and then I'm going to grab this apple. But this is optional. You can skip this item if you don't want to add this apple. And then I'm just going to apply this fire pattern for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!